Two engines leave the same factory on the same day. They share the same model, the same parts, and the same design. One engine dies at 150,000 miles. The other keeps running past 500,000 miles. This is the shock, because nothing was different at birth. The real difference comes from daily habits. Just 21 habits decide engine life. Most drivers ignore them without even knowing. Replacing an engine costs $4,000 to $8,000. Following these habits costs a few hundred each year. That gap matters, because small care saves big money. Right now, your engine is slowly wearing down. Every cold start, every delay adds damage. But here is the relief, because this damage is preventable. The next 30,000 miles decide your engine's future. Stay here, because these 21 habits change everything. Let's start the countdown with number 21, oil changes. Because oil decides engine life. Change oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, not 10,000. Real driving breaks oil early, not perfect lab tests. This matters because dirty oil kills engines quietly. Oil is engine blood, but old oil turns into grit. After 5,000 miles, metal starts grinding metal. Fleet engines prove this, reaching 500,000 miles. Now let's move to number 20, proper warm-up, which most drivers ignore. Idle for 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently. Cold oil moves like honey, not real protection. Revving cold engines causes wear, and that damage stays forever. Temperature warnings exist because warm engines survive. Rush these habits, and engine life drops fast. Oil protects metal, but another silent killer builds next. Now at number 19, highway driving. Because short trips kill engines. Drive once every week, for 20 to 30 minutes at speed. Short trips trap moisture, and that moisture eats engines. This is dangerous because engines need full heat. Highway heat burns carbon, dries water, and moves fluids. Engines stuck in cities wear out much faster. This is real care, not old driving myths. Now at number 18, correct fluids. Because engines are picky, use only manual-approved fluids, not almost correct ones. Wrong viscosity blocks flow or removes protection. Mixed coolants turn into gel and destroy cooling systems. Universal fluids fail engines because designs are exact. Fluids keep engines alive, but they also go missing. Where they disappear will expose problems next. Now at number 17, monthly fluid checks, because fluids predict engine failure. Check oil, coolant, and transmission fluid every single month. Fluid loss never happens by chance. It warns you early. This is serious because small leaks become big disasters. A tiny oil leak can grow into an $8,000 rebuild. Low coolant ignored turns into a blown head gasket. Catching it early saves thousands instantly. Now at number 16, air filters, because engines need clean air. Replace filters by sight, not blind mileage rules. A dirty filter chokes airflow and forces extra fuel. That fuel washes oil away, causing hidden engine wear. Dust becomes sandpaper inside, and damage speeds up fast. This sounds small, but $20 prevents disaster. Clean fluids tell stories, but air must be measured next. Now at number 15, the MAF sensor, because air controls combustion. This tiny sensor measures every breath your engine takes. When it gets dirty, the fuel mix turns wrong. That is dangerous, because wrong fuel destroys engines. Too rich fuel washes oil off cylinders. Too lean fuel causes detonation and piston damage. A $10 cleaner fixes this in 5 minutes. Now at number 14, coolant service, because heat kills fastest. Flush coolant every 30 to 50,000 miles, not forever. Old coolant turns acidic and eats metal parts. clear fluid can still destroy because acid hides damage. Ignore this, and failure becomes certain. Spark creates power, but timing decides survival next. Now at number 13, spark plugs, because spark controls combustion. Replace plugs on time, based on their exact type. Worn plugs cause misfires, and raw fuel floods engines. This gets serious because fuel washes oil away. That fuel hits the exhaust and melts the catalytic converter. A $100 plug job prevents $2,000 damage. Now at number 12, transmission service, because gears need clean fluid. Change fluid every 30 to 60,000 miles, not lifetime. Old fluid loses protection, and heat eats clutches. Never flush transmissions. Only drain and refill. Flushes move debris and destroy valve bodies. A small service now prevents a $4,000 rebuild. Big systems survive, but small filters fail next. Now at number 11, fuel filters, because clean fuel keeps engines alive. Diesel filters need changes often, because diesel carries dirt and water. Gas engines also need filters because clogs destroy injectors. This matters because fuel systems are expensive. A clogged filter forces pumps and injectors to fail. A $40 filter prevents $1,000 repairs. Now at number 10, fuel system cleaners, because carbon builds fast. Add cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, not after problems start. Carbon blocks spray patterns and power drops. Direct injection engines suffer more because fuel never cleans valves. A $10 bottle prevents $800 cleaning. Cleaning helps, but stopping oil vapors matters next. Now at number 9, the oil catch can, because oil vapors choke engines. This small device stops oil mist before it hits intake valves. Direct injection engines suffer most because fuel never cleans valves. That is dangerous because carbon builds fast. One catch can prevent $1,000 cleanings. It traps oil every drive instead of feeding carbon buildup. Now at number 8, timing service, because time destroys belts. Replace timing belts on schedule, not when they look bad. A broken belt means instant engine destruction. Pistons hit valves, and repairs explode in cost. Always change the water pump too, because labor is already paid. Ignore this, and 1 mile can end everything. Now at number 7, smart idling, because idling hurts engines. Long idling builds carbon, and fuel mixes with oil. The engine stays cold, and damage grows quietly. This matters because warming by idling is a myth. 10 minutes of idling equals miles of wear with no movement. Modern engines prefer shutdown, not endless idling. Now at number 6, throttle body cleaning, because airflow controls smooth power. Carbon coats the throttle, and airflow gets restricted. That causes rough idle and slow response. A simple cleaning restores normal breathing. Dealers replace sensors when dirt is the real problem. Too gentle hurts engines, and too aggressive hurts too. The right balance matters, and exercise comes next. Now at number 5, spirited driving. Because engines need exercise, driving too gently lets carbon build everywhere. Ring stick power drops, and efficiency dies. This surprises many because babying engines causes harm. Short bursts of higher RPM burn carbon deposits. This is called engine exercise, and mechanics trust it. Now at number 4, quality synthetic oil, because cheap oil fails early. Synthetic oil handles heat and keeps its protection. Cheap oil breaks down and metal starts touching metal. Paying a little more yearly prevents huge repair bills. Synthetic lasts longer, making maintenance cheaper overall. Use balance because too soft or too hard both hurt. Big habits are done, but small parts still decide fate. Now at number 3, the PCV valve, because pressure destroys engines. This tiny valve controls crankcase pressure and oil health. When it fails, seals blow and oil turns dirty. This is dangerous because small parts cause big damage. A $20 valve prevents thousands in oil leaks. Ignoring it leads to poor idle and engine wear. Now at number 2, temperature monitoring, because heat kills fastest. The moment the gauge rises, you must stop immediately. Even seconds of overheating cause permanent damage. Warped heads, seized pistons, and cracked blocks follow fast. Towing costs less because engines do not forgive heat. All habits help, but science reveals the truth next. Now we reach number 1, oil analysis, the habit that changes everything. Send used oil for testing, and science reads your engine. This is how fleets win, using data instead of guesses. And here is the twist, because you were driving blind before. Oil tests show wear metals, fuel dilution, and coolant leaks. Problems appear early, sometimes 50,000 miles ahead. That gap matters, because early fixes save engines. 500,000-mile engines are watched, not lucky. $40 in testing prevents $8,000 failures. Science beats hope, and numbers beat excuses. Your oil tells the truth about every part inside. For less than one oil change, you see the future. Remember the 2 engines? One dies early, one lives long. The engine was never different, only the habits were. Now the choice is clear, because your engine listens to you. These 21 habits turn engines into survivors. Fleet mechanics trust them, and race teams prove them. Now you know, and your engine depends on action. Save this list, follow it, and protect your investment. Subscribe for more truths, because engines fail from neglect.